If you find yourself banned from using Uber Eats, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the ban notification. Check your email or the app for any communication from Uber Eats regarding your ban. Understand the reason for the ban, as this will help you address it in your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This may include screenshots, order history, or any communication you had with Uber Eats that could clarify the situation. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Uber Eats customer support through the app or website. Use the help section to find the appropriate contact method, whether it is through chat, email, or phone call. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Clearly explain your situation in your appeal. Include your current details, the reason for the ban, and any evidence you gathered. Be polite and concise in your communication. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Uber Eats. It may take some time for them to review your case and get back to you, so check your email regularly for updates. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban from Uber Eats. Good luck!